So welcome back to our channel, Speed and Sound Motors Garage, and today we are removing this engine for Forza on the reflex. We are going to change the timing chain because it is making a funny sound, showing that the engine timing chain is loose. Now we are going to remove this engine. I take you step by step easy ways of replacing the timing chain without dismantling the whole engine. As you see there, we are disconnecting all the cables, the brakes, the suspension, moving the carburetor, the starter wires. Now that the engine is fully removed, we are going to remove the top cover so that we pass the timing chain over. It goes down to the engine without opening the full engine. You see how loose the timing chain is there. The tensioner is on, but it is loose. Anytime you can get engine damage. In case you're revving so high, the engine can go off timing and the engine breaks. Now remove the tensioner. You see how the tensioner is, even if we push it back, it is easy. It is fully. Now we are removing the camshaft and see. You're going to see how we do that. Now we are going to cut the old timing chain with a special tool. There you can see it. And then we are going to join the new timing chain with that. Then we rotate the engine until when the old timing chain is fully out, and we connect. As you see there, we are adding the new chain. This is a simple way. In case you have time, you can open the full engine, the magneto, but here I'm showing you how you can do it easily without opening the engine, and it works very well. And now we are adding the new chain. We are joining it with the old chain with that special tool. And then there you can see we are joining it. We are pushing the pin in. Then after joining, we are rotating the engine crankshaft such that as we are rotating, we are removing the old chain. Then as the new chain is going, and it's going to go to the sprocket, timing sprocket. As you see there, the new as we rotate now, the new chain is fully in. Then we are disconnecting the old chain, and after you're going to connect back to join them together, the two ends of the new chain together. Then we do engine timing. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like, then you tell us, you give us a feedback on any video you want to see us doing repair on. Now we are joining the two ends together. Remember, if you don't have that special tool, it will be hard for you. You must have that tool. To be hard for you unless you will damage the new chain. You have to have that tool so that you did the job well. You subscribe. Now we are removing the timing plug. As you see, the engine is already on our timing, so let us put the chain on the camshaft and do the timing. As you see that those slashes in the indents on the camshaft and the T indent must align very well in the center. Yeah, I'll make another video on how to do the timing, just for the timing only. Now, as you can see, we are applying some gasket shellac on the tensioner. Put it back. And then we put our preload spring back. That gives tension to the engine timing chain. Now, after timing rotates the engine 2 to 4 times and then recheck the timing. Now we are checking back if we have done the timing right. It should be as precise as it is. Now the job is done. We are putting back our top cover and then we shall mount the engine back to its frame and we say job done. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and then you will not miss any video. Yes. Now we are mounting back our engine. It's fully in, fully running very well. Yeah, you see we see in the next video.